going to show you how to repair a crack in an aircraft canopy. This is off a sailplane. We're going to repair it using Plastifix, which is a methyl methacrylate adhesive. And it won't make the repair invisible, but it will stabilize it so they'll at least be able to use the canopy since a new one is not available. Okay, so here's the final product. Structurally sound. And I wouldn't normally recommend a repair in your line of sight, but this canopy is unavailable. I started with 320 grit sanding and then ended at 5,000 and then polished it using buffing compound and then a swirl mark remover. And that seemed to get it pretty good. I did a one-sided repair. You could do a two-sided repair, but it's really hard to polish the inside because of the concave surface. And this is plenty strong. Your pilot's head is gonna be about here, you know, looking through this area. So this is definitely, you know, there, but it's not any worse than all this other stuff that's going on inside here.